Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, objectives and setting objectives. So you will see one by one. So what do you mean by objective? Everyone know. So in an organization, everyone they are having that two objectives. One is you will get more profit to attract more customers. So objectives are those ends which the organization seeks to achieve by its existence and operations. Objective is a specific commitment to achieve a measurable result within a specified time. So what are the characteristics of organizational objectives? Multiplicity, hierarchy, networking, time dimension, quantifiable and non-quantifiable objectives, social sanction. So these are the characteristics of organizational objectives. We will see one by one. So what do you mean by multiplicity? So in every work, they are having some urgent, that is a prioritization, and not urgent. So multiplicity of objective trigger the problem of fixing priorities and harmonizing them. So urgent, important, not urgent. So you're taking the prioritization. Hierarchy, top-down and bottom-up approaches. Objectives are framed across different levels of an organization. Example, achieving profit, improving stats. So that will be belongs to the top level management. Cost reduction, waste management, it will be middle level management. This means production managers. Reducing absenteeism, maintenance, it will be carried out by low level management. Because in case of absenteeism, the work will be stopped. So reducing absenteeism and maintenance. Networking is very, very important. It's nothing but linking. So objectives are intertwined and networked with one another. For example, marketing, HR, and production. Time dimension. Objectives are time bound, short term, long term, and intermediate term. So there are three terms are very important, belongs to the time dimensions. Quantifiable and non-quantifiable. Objectives based on numbers are called quantifiable. It's nothing but quantity and quality. So quantifiable is nothing but based on numbers. Objectives based on quality are called as non-quantifiable. That's only we are saying that non-quantifiable. So in that quantifiable, that is a quality level, improving the productivity, increasing profit to certain number, improving job satisfaction, enhancing quality of products. So that is the difference between the quality and quantity. So that will be displayed in the picture. So quality, they are having one, and quantity, they are having counting that numbers. Social sanction. So it's nothing but in every organization, what you need and what you need for the society. So objective will conform to general needs of the society. Then what are the important role of objectives? These are all the workplace values: legitimacy, sense of direction, motivation aid, control mechanism, coordination, and finally unifying force. So what do you mean by legitimacy? They describe the purpose of an organization. To join an organization, what is the purpose? You know, then only you can work, right? So they describe the purpose of an organization. They provide the identity of an identity to an organization. Sense of direction. So you know the direction. Provide the guide way towards the target. Every employee must have clear idea about what he or she is supposed to do his or her job. It's very, very important. Motivation aid, because motivation is induce the employee to do any work or to do any objective. So apart from incentives and rewards, objectives of an organization will be the driving force to attain a goal. Control mechanism, being a driving force, objective restrict the employees from deviation. So don't deviate, only you have to focus on work. Coordination, it's very important. Without coordination, we can't do anything. So teamwork never fail. So objectives are as unifying force for an organization. Executive coordinate the efforts of their subordinates. Uniqueness, It's very, very important. Compared to others, there is some uniqueness for everyone. They are core force to planning. They serve as reference points for the formulation of policies, strategies, procedures, etc. So setting objectives. Setting objective must meet following some criteria. Should be consistent with the value of management. Should pinpoint strength of an organization. Should satisfy external environment factors. So there are two things: setting objectives and also providing the feedback. So these are objective setting guidelines. Objective should be clear and specific, should be expressed in measurable terms. Objective should be attainable and realistic. Objective should be time bound, so within the duration to complete the work, should be wholeheartedly accepted by employees. Objective should be challenging. Objective should have sub goals and linked to rewards. Objective should be interconnected and mutually supportive. Objective should be flexible and adaptable. It should be set down in all key result areas. So these are the objective setting guidelines. So next session, we are going to discuss some important topic in strategic management. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.